Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make this little felt angel. So let's get started. I have a square of felt and I'm just going to use a plastic lid and trace around it and cut it out. You can make these any size using this same technique. So now I'm going to fold this in half like that and I'm going to cut along that fold like that. Now we're going to do the same thing with this one. Fold it in half and cut along the fold. Now these are going to form the arms, and this one is going to form the dress. And these stitches are optional. I've threaded some embroidery floss into a needle. If you don't have embroidery floss, you could just use several thicknesses of regular sewing thread. And I'm just going to do a little running stitch line all along the bottom like this. Like that all the way around. And I've gone ahead and I've done that on the skirt and on the sleeves. So now I'm going to shape these into cones like this. And then I'm going to hot glue this seam. Like that. And then I'm going to cut the sleeves to the right length. Like that, and I'm going to glue those along the side. Like that. For the head, I have a white styrofoam ball and I'm going to hot glue that at the neck. For the hair, I wound yarn around my fingers about 20 times. And then I'm going to pass another piece of yarn through and tie. Like that. Place that on the head like that and I'm hot glue that in place. Or you could use some fiber fill and hot glue that on both sides. And I'm going to use this today. And I've gone ahead and done that. And now I have some gold beaded garland and I'm going to glue that around her head. And I cut a little heart out of felt. I'm going to glue that at her neck. Garland with bells on it. And I'm going to cut a section and glue it into her arms. Like that. And I have some blush. And I'm just going to add some little pink cheeks. Like that. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make these little felt angels. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.